on a similar point about news and the things that go out in the world, driving the emotions overall. So for short-term transactions, it is very easy to follow. Okay, these are the bars, and this happened yesterday, this happened last week. But for longer-term investment, they get heavily impacted by what's going on. Like for example, Brexit happened, and COVID happened, and Liz Truss happened, and then things kept on going, and it never recovered. So for long-term investments that are heavily impacted, and we still don't know, and war happened, we still don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. So these rules and everything, they still hold true in for long-term investments as well.
Yeah.
What strategies do you use?
All right. My favorite phrase to use is "I don't know," and I like using this phrase because it makes me revert back to my rules-based. So, going back to your question, what do you do about long-term and short-term? Short-term is like doing windsurfing. Long-term is going like sailing in a big boat. So obviously you'll be going about rougher weather because you're out in the open sea. So for that, in order to, as a matter of principle, you have to do two things. A, you have to have more fundamentals in your favor. So you definitely have to have, because big moves happen for fundamental reasons, not for technicals. We use technicals to identify them. Fundamentals are the why. Technicals is the when. So if you want to be doing long-term trading or investing, you have to have very good grasp on the fundamentals, because this will cause the market to give you what you're looking for, the big trend. And in order to capture that, you also have to give it room to breathe, because the more you go into the open sea, the rougher the weather will be. So you have to have a stop which is obviously a bit bigger than that, so you can let it grow. So windsurfing, open sea sailing. Make sure you're, and again, it comes to strategy selection. You have to pick a strategy that is according to your own personality. It doesn't have to be something because I said so. I'm showing you a way, not the way.